Delivery of energy solution services across East Africa in the electricity sector poses a huge potential for any entrant in the market. Compared to other East African countries, Kenya has been at the forefront of the electricity and electric grid solutions that allow effective management of electricity from the point of generation to the point of consumption. In 2008, the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, KETRACO, was formed and made responsible for bulk electricity transmission in the country. It was mandated to plan, design, construct, own, operate and maintain high-voltage electricity transmission grids as well as the regional interconnectors. As time went on, there was a need to expand distribution of electricity grid solutions, as well as testing of its equipment for the purposes of serving delivery to its consumers. Amotech Africa, Africa's leading test and measurement solutions provider, provided their niche in supplying reliable, high-voltage test and measurement equipment. Together with their partner, manufacturer Megger, the firm supplied a high-voltage test system, the HV DAC-300, to KETRACO. This was made possible by the African Development Bank (AFDB), who were their financier of the project.
Amotech is our responsible partner for Kenya, and in fact, we have plans that we extend the responsibility for Amotech within Africa, that we give them a broader area to cover for and behalf of Megger.
The relationship with Megger has been one of mutual respect, trust, and a cordial one, to say the least. So we've been working with them for a couple of years, and we are extremely delighted at how far this partnership has gone.
The team at KETRACO were in a series of training sessions and theoretical training led by their head trainer from Megger to familiarize with Megger's HV DAC-300, a first in Africa, and is set to revolutionize how electricity cables are tested.
The first session has been quite insightful. We've been learning about the procedures or even the standards for testing high voltage and medium voltage cables.
I've really appreciated the theoretical aspects. I've come to better understand partial discharge. I've appreciated the equipment, and I have really learned a thing or two about the software, analyzing, interpreting and use of the equipment.
So this is a video which goes through all the settings, which shows new measurement tasks. You see all the cables, database.
After classes were done, it was time to survey a possible location for the testing of Megger's HV DAC-300 solution.
We are checking for the measurements for tomorrow to see if everything is available, and it's good to know what is going to happen in advance, that we can prepare for proper measurements, because we only have one day to do the testing, and we want to have a good training so that we can really do some testing with the engineers and that we have real results.
Day one of on-site training was in the Athi River substation. The second day of on-site training was key.
1, 2, 3!
On location from the Embakasi substation, which feeds 80% of Kenya's electricity.
Megger's purpose is to enable everyone to live safely with the energies that power our world. So that's why we are so happy and excited to be here today for the handover of the HV DAC-300. We are with Amotech team and also KETRACO team. We are very happy and excited. You can really feel it because it is the first time that such a product is setup in Africa.
My name is Felix Miwanjala, technician at Ketraco. We have been attending theory training for the last 3 days, and today we are at the field to do the simulation of the equipment.
My experience for the training at Olesereni by Megger on the HV DAC equipment and the transformer testing equipment was fantastic. It has given me the opportunity to learn more, especially the theory part of the testing of the equipment and extending the same to the practical sessions at the river. It gave me an insight on how to test transformer. Being the first equipment that Ketraco has purchased and being the first group that will be using it, very excited and looking forward to a practical experience.
So this resistor will take care of all the energy. Okay, so we as Megger just make sure that we protect the technicians or the engineers that use the equipment, but also the investment that you made on the test equipment.
The most important part is the practical part. Now we have to instruct the people how to get the system set up, how to connect it to mains power, how to connect it to the cable on the test. And as a matter of fact, for us at Megger, it is very, very important that there is a good knowledge transfer from us to our customer.
It makes us proud to know that these skills are also transferred to our local teams here in Amotech Africa and also to the client who is finally going to be using these systems. And we are also able to support them with backup support and after-sale service.
Change over the theory into practice. So now the engineers will see how simple it is to set up the equipment, how easy it is to perform a measurement, and they will say, all the information that I received in the first 2 days, it looked quite complicated, but it's an easy job. So we're ready for testing. Power on. Half an hour.
Yay! Quick!
It's finally up, and it's the culmination of a good week of training. It makes me very, very proud to have been part of the training that was done by the Megger team to Ketraco. We have ensured that the whole team is well equipped to operate. We are hoping that with the solution, Ketraco can be able to solve partial discharge problems and keep their assets alive for longer.
The culmination of this partnership was in a handover ceremony and recognition of Ketraco's participation in being the first to install the HV DAC-300 in the continent.
Well, we're looking at about 2 years to get where we are today. It's been long and hard for everyone. We've all worked very hard. So we're very happy we are where we are today.
This partnership between Amotech Africa and Megger brings with it optimism and has a huge potential in a market that is yet to be fully unlocked.
The infrastructure that we have right now, especially the underground cable, it's one of our key investments that we really need to take care of, and I'd say you now have everything that it takes.
This is a celebration of a good project, what good partnerships can result to.
Megger and Amotech Africa believe that as key players in the test and measurement sector, their missions will have a positive impact as they enhance safety in the sector and contribute towards efficient electricity management in Africa.